Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of DE Video News Roundup. Glad to have you with us. The leading mainstream CAD, SolidWorks, has now reached its 28th release. This week, the company officially released SolidWorks 2020 with a special focus on large assembly and
Ciao
large
everyone,
drawing
and
performance.
welcome to What's New in SolidWorks 2020. I am Giampaolo Bassi, CEO of SolidWorks 20. It's all about digitalization and integration through a connected 3D experience platform to drive faster innovation while reducing the risk of failure. In SolidWorks 2020, you'll find three main ways we are giving you the solutions you truly want and need. First, the 3D experience platform will deliver to you a connected design to manufacturing ecosystem, helping you manage every aspect of developing and delivering products, from ideation into the hands of your customers. You'll go from concept to completed product with unprecedented speed, and you'll do it easily and seamlessly with new and connected applications, both on the desktop and the cloud. We are delivering improved performance across the spectrum for stunning speed and unparalleled functionality. And finally, we are giving you streamlined workflows to accelerate time to market and reduce manufacturing costs, all while improving product quality. Get ready to dive in, discover, and get inspired by SolidWorks 2020.
The software has grown over time from a strictly CAD package in its origin to now include simulation, electrical CAD, manufacturing simulation, rendering, and data management, among other things, as a reflection of the parent company Dassault Systemes' growing interest in the SolidWorks division. The software now has a lot more touch points to other products from the Dassault portfolio, such as xShape, a conceptual design package. The announcement this week confirms many of the features previewed at SolidWorks World earlier in February this year, such as the option to use flexible parts to design assemblies with realistic movement and interpart behaviors. For more details on SolidWorks 2020, go to the company's dedicated product page shown here. Our next stop is Vortex. Don't worry, it's not the kind that pulls you into the deep, but a simulation software that lets you see what happens over time with heavy equipment. Developed by CM Labs, Vortex Studio is for prototyping human-machine and terrain interaction, the sort that commonly occurs at construction sites, among other things. The latest version released this month is called Vortex Studio 2019B. In this version, the terrain deforms in response to tire tracks and pressure from machinery's repeated path over time or contact with tools such as the digging bucket. This feature is especially helpful to study over time how difficult a site would become to drive due to terrain degradation from heavy equipment moving over and over the same routes. The vehicles in Vortex are modular, meaning you can assemble vehicles that represent different classes and types by adjusting the templates that come with the software. Vortex supports GPU acceleration. It works with NVIDIA professional GPUs. The rendering engine is proprietary to CM Labs, according to the company. xRS Week is set to take place next month in October in San Francisco. The show focuses on extended reality, encompassing both AR and VR, augmented reality, and virtual reality. The show comes with a mix of presentations and panel discussions and is organized by Greenlight Insights, an analyst firm that studies and publishes reports on the professional and enterprise use of XR technologies. Speakers include academics, venture capitalists, and innovative startup CEOs playing in the AR/VR sector. To register, go to the event homepage shown here at xrsweek.com. That is all the news for this week. For more engineering and design related news, go to Digital Engineering 24/7. That's digitalengineering247.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel called DE Streaming. I'm Kenneth Wong for DE, signing off.